Welcome back, everyone! This month I'm doing another makeup, and I will start with some white and some Vaseline. This time I'm making Harley Quinn from Injustice 2. This version of Harley Quinn is a bit more realistic than the ones we found in the comics, so therefore I'm going with a bit more of a subtle white base for this one. I do that by combining my white paint with some of the Vaseline to make it easier to spread and also a bit thinner. And then I go on to make some texture with my favorite orange sponge. I take some grey paint and I do some contouring with it. That way it will look more rugged and a bit more beaten up. And then I go over with my regular contouring. And then I contour one more time around my jawline, just to make the white pop a bit more. Then I add even more texture by using my alcohol-based paints. So I start off by making some freckles, because freckles are cute as hell and it makes for good texture. And then I go over with some heavy blush. It's quite heavy because I want it to show from afar. And then you go with powder. And make sure that you don't miss any spots when you powder on top of your foundation, because the powder is actually what sets the makeup and allows it to hold on to your face for the entire day. Otherwise it will smear. And now let's start with our eyeshadows. I am actually gonna make her eyeshadow black later on, but I usually start with a brownish color at first, just to make sure that the black eyeshadow won't turn out gray when I apply it. She actually has different shapes on both of her eyes in this game. With the red one I'm making more of a scar shape, and with the blue color I'm gonna make the other eye look a bit more sealed. And if you want to change your character now would be a good time to do Scar from Lion King instead. But I'm gonna keep going. So now that I've blocked out the blue color in the shape that I want, I'll start doing my black eyeshadow. And I actually keep a little paper tissue underneath of my eye when I'm applying this, because it tends to actually fall and the powder will land on your cheek and then you can end up with black streaks and dots all over your face. So this is just to keep me a bit more safe. After you've applied your mascara, you can go ahead and use your lip liner and outline your lips the way that you want them. For this makeup, I'm gonna do a two-toned lip. I want them bright red in the middle and then more brownish red in the edges. And now for the bright red lipstick in the middle, and then the lips are done. And now I'm gonna apply some false eyelashes. I'm not going for the full lash, instead I'm using individual lashes, since they won't actually show up that much, since my eyes are very black. And with that said, your makeup is done, you can put on your wig and your costume and go kick some ass. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos every month.